Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Stella and today I'm going to be showing you a new hairstyle. Today's video is kind of similar to my Stella versus Pinterest series, in which I take a hairstyle off of Pinterest or Instagram and I try my best to recreate it. That is because today we are going to try to recreate an Instagram IGTV hairstyle that looks awesome, it looks sick, it looks really good, and I'm gonna try to do it on myself, on my wig. This video was brought to you by Uniwigs, in the sense that they gave me a wig. I brought this video here, but they gave me a wig. So I chose a beautiful, beautiful periwinkle blue wig. It is synthetic, but it's really, really, really nice. It's a beautiful, soft wig. Really long too, so this week apparently the theme is long pastel wigs. And I just glued it on and I did absolutely nothing. This is how it came, so it came straight already, but I'm really, really happy with how it looks so far. So link of this exact wig is going to be down in the description box below. As I said, it's Uniwigs. I think I might have a coupon code, so just check it down below. This morning I was scrolling through my saved videos and I came across this video where she's doing what looks like a double sort of a Dutch braid, even though it's nothing like the process of how you do a Dutch braid. However, the effect, the end result of it gives you this Dutch braid effect. From the looks of it, I don't really know if it is a synthetic wig or if it's human hair. The shine of it seems to almost be synthetic. However, I really can't tell nowadays, like synthetic wigs. It can look quite realistic. Today I'm going to be trying it on this one. As I said, it is synthetic, but we're going to give it a go and see how well it reacts to braids or hairstyles or whatever, because I get a lot of questions asking me what you can actually do with a synthetic wig and how creative you can get with them. So today we're going to put this wig and my skills to the test. The thing that I'm kind of like a bit wary of is the fact that obviously she's doing it on someone else. It's not being done, you know, on herself. So in reality, I probably should have tried this style not on myself, like put it on a mannequin head. But that is why I'm going to kind of challenge myself to see if I could do it, in which case you guys could probably do it. We're gonna separate a section of hair from the front of our face. I don't think it has to be very thick. I'm probably gonna go with, okay, so my glue is lifting because I'm sweating so much. One, and does this look even? I think it looks even. So one very, very good advantage of synthetic wigs is that because they are synthetic fibers, you never, ever, ever get flyaways, baby hairs, like loose strands. Sometimes that could be a bit bumming when it comes to, let's say, the hairline, but then otherwise it really does not frizz. I just gathered these two pieces and I'm gonna tie them at the back. This looks really nice so far. Oh my god, look at this shine. This feels literally so nice. The next thing she does is she starts picking up strands, but I feel like I want some hair around the front. So let's actually go ahead and cut some. Two sections. We're gonna try and do whatever she did. And make sure we're not picking up any other hair. Pull it through. Ooh. Oh, I feel like it's not neat. Is it neat? All right, I think. So I feel like so far it's going pretty well. The main like nerve-wracking bit is really just to make sure that it's neat, because I think the minute you start having either tangles or like loose bits of hair, it would start very much looking a bit ugly. I'm gonna end up using so many freaking rubber bands. So many. Let me show you how much is left. I have like quite a bit left. Maybe I'm just going to like open it up a bit. I feel like I did pretty damn good, even though I am literally sweating so much. It is so hot. My room does not have AC, and the last thing that I felt like doing was sticking another head of hair on my head. Regardless, even just from here, like I feel so much like a Disney princess. I feel like I'm like a mix of like a few different like princesses, and like, oh my god, I feel so cute. I was contemplating like continuing the braid down till the bottom, except I felt like that would be a bit meh. So I think I'm actually going to leave it at that, in which case I think I aced the look. Oh my god, this looks so cute. You get what I mean? Like, okay, it's starting to get a bit frizzazzled. I'm gonna leave it at that because otherwise I'm gonna keep playing with it and probably ruin it before I could even take some pictures. I'm going to leave the link of this exact wig down in the description box below. It is by Uniwigs. I have worked with them before, but I have done that in a really long time, so I'm glad to be working with them again. Below, as well as its details in the event that you want to check out the details. I don't freaking know. Any coupon codes will also be down in the description box below. As you could see, it is really great for styling. It does get tangled, but really nothing compared to some other synthetic wigs, so it's a very much of a pro on that side. Other than that, I hope you like this hairstyle. I really hope you give this a go because it is very cute, and it can be quite easily done on yourself. It's a bit tricky when the hair is quite long, but you can stop at figuratively any spot, even if you just do two, and it just takes the hair from the front of your face or whatever. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.